Jai Hind students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Welcome in your EVS class. The previous class we had completed the book exercises of Unit 5th Food. So children, take out your EVS notebook. Now open new page. First of all, write down the date and day here. What is the date today? Today is 18th August 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So write Wednesday here. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. After this, write here CA, means it is your class assignment. Then write here Unit 5. What is the name of this unit? Food. So write food here. FOOD, food. Firstly, we will write the index of this unit. INDEX, index. After this, first we will draw the picture of this unit. So write here draw picture. DRAW, draw picture. PICTURE, picture. Second, we will write the difficult words of this unit. So write difficult words. DIFFICULT, difficult words. WORDS, words. Third, we will write the question answers of this unit. So write question answer QUESTION, question, oblique answers, ANSWERS, answers. Today is 18th August 2021 and the day is Wednesday. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Then write here HA, means this is your home assignment. Write here Unit 5, UNIT, Unit 5. What is the name of this unit? Food. So write food here, FOOD, food. Then mark a arrow here. Then write draw any two healthy, 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 food, 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 item, that, THAT, that you like to eat, and write 3 sentences, SENTENCES, sentences about them, THEM, them. In this you have to draw any 2 healthy food. आपको 2 कोई भी healthy food draw करने हैं that you like to eat, जो भी आपको खाना पसंद है, and write 3 sentences about them, और उस healthy food के बारे में आपको 3 sentences लिखने हैं. Now again write down the date and day here. What is the date today? Today is 18th August 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So write Wednesday here. WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. Then write here CA. It means this is your class assignment. Then write here Unit 5, food, FOOD, food. And now we will write the difficult words here. So write difficult words. DIFFICULT, difficult words. WORDS, words. First, healthy, HEALTHY, healthy. Healthy means स्वास्थ्य. Okay, now second point, second is meal. Meal means भोजन. Third is cooked, COOKED, cooked. Fourth is pulses, PULSES, pulses means dal. Fifth is cereals, CEREALS, cereals. Cereals means anaj. Sixth, honey, HONEY, honey. Honey means शहद. Seventh is butter, BUTTER, butter. Butter means makhan. Now right here 8th point. 8th is cheese, CHEEESE, cheese. Cheese means paneer. Now again open new page. First of all, write down the date. What is the date today? Today is 18th August 2021 and the day is Wednesday. So write Wednesday here, WEDNESDAY, Wednesday. After this, on the right hand side, mention CA. After this, right here, unit. Fifth, food, FOOD, food. Then we will write here question answer. So write question, 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 oblique, answers, ANSWERS, answers. Now write here question number 1. Why do we need, NEED, need food, FOOD, need. Why do we need food? हमें फूड की जरूरत क्यों होती है? Write here answers. We need food, 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 to live, grow, 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 and get, 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 energy, ENERGY, energy. We need food, हमें फूड की जरूरत होती है to live, जिंदा रहने के लिए, grow, बढ़ने के लिए, and get energy, हम फूड लेते हैं उससे हमें एनर्जी मिलती है. Now write here question number 2. From, 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 where, WHERE, where do we get food, FOOD, food. हम फूड कहाँ से लेते हैं? So right answer, we get, 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 food, 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 from plants, 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 and animals, ANIMALS, animals. हम फूड प्लांट्स और एनिमल्स से लेते हैं. आफ्टर दिस राइट हियर क्वेश्चन नंबर 3. नेम द 3 meals, MEALS, meals of the day, DAY, day. हमें 3 meals के नेम बताने हैं जो कि हम पूरे दिन में खाते हैं. राइट आंसर हियर द 3 meals, MEALS, meals of the day, DAY, day are: first is breakfast, BREAKFAST, breakfast. Second is lunch, LUNCH, lunch. And third is dinner, DINNER, dinner. We eat these 3 meals of the day. In the morning we do breakfast, and at the lunch we eat our lunch, and at night we eat dinner.